All right, so if you are watching this, you've already seen the unboxing of this entry-level drone. The first one we did was with no camera. This one has the 4K camera on it. So we're just going to do a quick unbox of that because you all know how this already works. But just like the other one, you got the all-important owner's manual. Same stuff as the other one. However, this one comes with a little extra sheet that discusses the app you download, so you can use the camera for FPV, for videotaping, taking pictures, whatever. It'll do all of it. Just like the other one, you got the drone. You've got the radio. But this one adds a couple extra things. One, we got this little gizmo here that goes into the top of this. Have it the right way. There we go. So this is going to hold your phone here. So when you're doing the FPV, that sort of thing, you can see your phone. Pretty straightforward on that. Just out of the way. But more importantly, this one comes with the 4K camera. Very simple installation. It's got its own little built-in antenna here. Put the plug in. Bottom of the drone has the slots already made to hold on this little mount right here. You're just gonna slide it in to so it's aiming towards the front, of course. Follow my own instructions. So that hooks into there, snaps in. You now have a drone with a 4K camera on the bottom. The little plug plugs right into here. Make sure you have it the right way, of course. Plugged in, you're ready to go. Outside of that, you got to download the app, get that all synced up. But we'll do that here real quick, and then we'll take it out for a little test flying with the camera in action.